A little bit about how my batteries have been performing since I've installed them. I'm super impressed, given that they are second life batteries and they've had about 7 or 8 years of hard work in somebody else's house already, and these were deemed faulty and failing and were going to be thrown away. But it turns out that not all of the battery system was being thrown away, just the inverter, the controllers, the actual battery cells and modules themselves have been really good and are still okay. And I've checked the BMSs. So this is my app that I've got from Solace, which is the make the inverter that I've got, and it provides data. So here's when I installed the batteries back in July, around July 5th was the day it went in, and then I didn't actually install the batteries properly until the 14th. But from the 14th onwards, looking at the bottom one graph here, you can see red is the energy imported, and